मैम इस तरफ इसका मैम यहाँ पे मैम ऊपर ऊपर सेंटर मैम ये राइट साइड है मैम मैम आपका फैन यहाँ पर एक इधर वो फैन नहीं है अरे बड़ा फैन है इधर हाँ इसका मैम राइट में आपके मैम राइट साइड मैम ये मैम ये मैम को छोड़िए मैम यहाँ पे राइट में फुल हॉलीवुड लोग समोर बघा अरे कौन आ गया मैम सामने एकदम मैम राइट सामने देखिए अरे नहीं रुको एक तो मैडम सामने दीपिका जी मैडम नहीं है थोड़ा पीछे मैम सामने एकदम मैम मैम वेट दीपिका जी ऊपर
पूरा फोटोशूट हो गया. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, so quiet everyone. What happened? Tired.
Happy evening to you. You look towering, you look strong, you look powerful.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Done? Thank you.
We start by congratulating you for completing 9 years officially, with the release of your Om Shanti. Many congratulations for it.
Thank you.
So, any words for it? How does it?
It feels amazing. I don't feel like I've completed 9 years. Like I always say, I feel like I've just started off. And I feel like I have a lot more to give. I feel like I'm ready for even more challenging roles and even more challenging films. And I'm excited about one of those experiences because Padmavati is going to be extremely difficult. And but I'm ready. I think I'm ready for that experience and for that journey.
Now you are part of the international red carpets, now walking the red carpet here at TV, and now here. Do you find it different or
It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. It's always fun to dress up and to get ready and then to interact with the media and interact with your fans who are on the red carpet. It's always fun.
वहाँ पे कैसा रहा?
कहाँ पे? जो आपने देखा वही. It was great fun. I love music and it was amazing to watch some of these artists perform live. I think as an actor, to just watch some amazing performances, I think, I've really learned a lot. No, you say. No, you say. नहीं, आप क्या बोल रहे थे, आप बताओ. कौन?
The film that you shooting.
No, he was asking the question. He should ask properly. नाम तो याद कर लो ठीक से. You'll know soon.
आपकी सेरेमनी के बारे में बताइए. A legacy of drugs.
Yes.
We saw the ad which you were taking the back end forward. तो उसके बारे में शर्मिला जी ने स्टार्ट किया. She was the first and now the ad. उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
I think it was definitely an iconic moment for me because Sharmila ji, of course, but I've grown up watching Madhuri ji and Sridevi ji, and to share screen space with them and to be named in the same league and category as them, I think for me was a huge honor. Like I said, it's only been 9 years and I feel like I have a long way to go. But it was a huge honor, and most importantly, all four of us had a lot of fun when we were shooting. We were all very happy that we were all getting to work together. And this evening again, I'm going to meet everyone.
Mr. Shahrukh Khan है और उसके लक्ष्य क्योंकि ज़्यादा मेन स्टार्स अभी हुए नहीं. Mr. Shahrukh Khan is the only one who is part of the drugs. How you see it like? Is it
I don't know if I can comment on that because I don't know in what capacity he's associated with the brand, so I can't comment on that.
He's a brand ambassador and he's presenting the awards.
I wouldn't know that, but he is definitely hosting the evening along with Karan and a lot of amazing performances. But that's all I know.
Deepika, मेरी colleague पूछना था, she is a tribute to women of कई women हैं जो acid attacks के victims बने हैं, तो उनके लिए and they have come out strongly and bravely. Any words for would you like to express for them?
Yes, but having said that, I don't think it should be discussed in such a frivolous manner. I think there is a time and place for everything. When we comment on certain things, I think there is a time and place for everything. Having said that, I've interacted and met a lot of them in the past, and I have a lot of love and respect for them.
दीपिका, गवर्नमेंट ने जो 500,000 की नोट बंद किया, क्या वो गवर्नमेंट का सही डिसीजन है? आपको क्या लगता है?
Absolutely. I think it was high time, and I won't comment too much on it, but I think it was an exceptional move by the government and by the minister, and I would like to congratulate them on that.
Deepika, one last question
Thank you.
about your next film. We've heard that you are having India premiere for Triple X. So will we see Vin and the other cast will come to India?
Hopefully. I've spoken to them a lot about India. They all know a lot about India, and obviously I want to, most importantly, the amazing experience that I had while filming this movie. I want to share that experience with everyone, and yeah, so I will, hopefully, all of them will be here.
One last, Om Shanti will be made in Japanese now?
It's going to be a Japanese play, if I'm not mistaken. It's not going to be. I mean, I'm sure they've already translated the movie, or maybe it's already been made in Japanese. I'm not sure. But Farah called me the other day, and she said they're making it a play, and they all loved Shanti Priya, and the premiere of that is going to be in July next year, and most probably Farah and I will be going together for that.
Thank you so much for Pleasant TV. We are following a sort of village, like of a flying place. If you feel comfortable for the camera,
For you. Thank you. यहाँ
दीपिका,
again.